Let's talk about the OTOUCH Masturbator Special Rinser. Here we have the rinser itself. Now this is a special accessory to add to your collection, especially if you have the OTOUCH Masturbators. This is a rinsing tool which is an effective and easy tool to use for cleaning the chambers of your masturbator. Simple and easy to use, and on the packaging there is also a visual diagram of how to use this special rinser. Now you can replace the shower head with this rinser, which includes a brush on either side and sprayer for deep cleaning. You can also add disinfectant liquid to enhance the effect as well. It's really simple and easy to use. Step 1 is to remove the shower head of your existing shower, install the rinser by screwing it in, and then of course flush the chamber. As we can see with the nubs, it moves around flexibly, so it provides a very deep cleaning there. And as mentioned, you can of course use a toy cleaner as well to help with cleaning as well. Always refer back to the diagram if you're unsure of how to use on, and it's compatible with most OTOUCH Masturbator models. For more information on the OTOUCH Masturbator Special Rinser, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.